Everyone, guess what?
Dad, you're the best silly Billy Pad. Dad, would you like it?
But guess what?
Oh.
Guess who's running today?
Diplomatic.
Yes, diplomatic. And yesterday was Moo's birthday and Moo's opening some presents.
Yes. Now, today is his actual one.
I think it's brilliant.
Okay, boy. You too now, boy.
Do you know this song?
No, Terrible Twos. Ah, there's Ethan. No. Oh, there we go, Jackson.
She's been called, but she doesn't want it.
Jack, you got to blow out the candles, boy. Blow the candles out. Oh, there's Emmy. Blow the candles out, boy. Hey, well done. Oh, no. Okay, not so well done. Blow. Oh, careful. Blow, boy. Don't put your head in the candle. Blow.
Okay.
There.
Help from your sister.
Yay! Jackson! Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jackson. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip! Hey! Hey! The cake, boy, let's see it.
And don't hold too big so the cake goes skew.
Well done, boy.